It starts from page 1 and it is till page 13. And what I've done in the summary is I've done two things. The first thing I've done, my lord, is that I've put headings on the various findings, titles on the various findings of the various judgments. And secondly, what I've done is that I've taken one or two extracts from the judgment, not the entire judgment, so that we can finish the entire judgment in, not in a very long time. And your lordship,
this judgment was passed in appeal.
Yes.
In appeal was continuation of your claim.
Yes.
And you are the only party who claimed, यानी आप SIC ने वहाँ क्लेम किए थे सीट के
जी,
तो आपको मिलने थे या नहीं मिलने?
जी जी जी
ठीक, आप मेरा SIC
जी जी,
तो वही बात आगे आई
जी,
तो हमने भी ये आपको देना था या नहीं देना?
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपने फिर एक थर्ड ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर किया, वो जब मैं जजमेंट पढ़ूंगा
यही है कि जनाब आपने
थर्ड ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर सकते।
किया, आपके सामने जो दो पार्टीज थी
जी जी,
उन्हें देना था या नहीं देना?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
तो ये
जी
आपने इस पे
एक्चुअली दो मेजर एतराज है। एक आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि relief has been granted to a party which according to them was not before the court.
I think as far as my understanding, this is the only objection of the
सर एक और भी, और जो आपका भी ऑब्जेक्शन है जिस पे आपने डिसेंट किया कि द टाइमलाइंस इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कुड नॉट बी अमेंडेड, यही भी ऑब्जेक्शन उन्होंने, मेरे ख्याल में ये दो फॉर्मिडेबल ऑब्जेक्शंस हैं जिससे हमें डील करना होगा। बेसिकली दो प्रिंसिपल ऑब्जेक्शंस हैं।
तो अभी आप उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं जो इम्प्यून जजमेंट पे?
जी जी जी,
आप उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं कि आपको नहीं दिया गया, किसी पार्टी को दिया गया थर्ड, तो यू सपोर्ट दैट जजमेंट?
बेसिकली
वो जो 80%
सॉरी जी,
जो 80% आपने ज्वाइन किए थे
जी, उनको
क्या कहना चाहिए कि आपसे डिटैच किया गया
जी,
यू सपोर्ट दैट आल्सो?
यस यस।
एंड एक और चीज भी आपने बताया
जी सर, जी सर,
ये बात हमें समझानी है आपने कि जितनी सीट्स हैं ये जो रिजर्व सीट्स हैं ये आर्टिकल 51D के तहत कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होंगी? क्या इनमें से कोई सीट खाली भी छोड़ी जा सकती है या तमाम के तमाम इन एनी केस किसी भी सूरत में उनको उन पार्टियों में तकसीम का फार्मूला हम आपसे सुनना
जी सर। आई थिंक देयर आर टू थिंग्स ऑन विच देयर इज कंसेंसस अमंग ऑल 13 जजेस। द फर्स्ट थिंग इज that I am out. Sadly, I am out. ठीक है ना? The second consensus, which is among all 13 judges, is that the seats cannot be left vacant. Even the majority judges, the 8 majority judges hold that they cannot be left vacant.
So, what do you say? कि आप ये मानते हैं कि ये खाली नहीं छोड़ी जा सकती?
Sir, I support the judgment. So my own view doesn't matter, but I support the judgment.
You accept that?
Yes, of course. So. So my lord, if your lordships may kindly see page 1 of the paper book. There is a second paper book which I have which I am giving. This relates, my lord, to the law on one critical point. This relates to the documents. Asal mein jis tarah judges who were there are aware of the fact.
You start from the question of law.
Yes,
that would
yes,
be
जी.
more convenient for the bench.
जी. Sir, ये जो है ना, ये जितने भी मेरे ख्याल में क्रिटिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं जो ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड का पार्ट थे वो मैंने एक जगह कर दिए, बिकॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ योर लॉर्डशिप्स कॉलिंग फॉर द इंटायर रिकॉर्ड एंड मैं डिफरेंट पेपर बुक से आपको बताऊं, मैंने एक जगह कर दिया विच आई विल बी रिफरिंग टू। बट लेट मी कम बैक टू दी इम्प्यून जजमेंट। अगर आप
ये जो अब इस पे CMA नंबर तो नहीं लगा, तो इसे क्या पेपर बुक नंबर 2 कर लें या नंबर, क्योंकि फिर आप रेफर कर, अच्छा इस पे CMA नंबर लग जाएगा?
ये लग जाएगा सर। एंड नन ऑफ दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स सर, नॉट ए सिंगल डॉक्यूमेंट इज आउटसाइड द ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड।
चल ठीक,
सब उस रिकॉर्ड से हैं, सिर्फ आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए एक जगह कर दी। नाउ इफ आई मे स्टार्ट विद योर लॉर्डशिप्स परमिशन एंड योर लेडीशिप्स परमिशन, अगर आप पेज 1 देख लें,
Page 1 of paper book 1.
Now I'll start, sir, from the majority judgment. Now, the majority judgment, my lord, is of 8 judges authored by His Lordship Justice Sayyid Mansoor Ali Shah. There are concurring judges. There is no separate note in terms of the majority judgment, but there are concurring judges, including His Lordship Justice Mazhar and His Lordship Justice Hassan and Justice Aisha, the invisible member of the bench, if I may say. So, जो पहला point है sir, the entire judgment is based on certain foundational constitutional principles. ये मैं पढ़ चुका हूँ. I move on. जो second point है वो important है. Comprehensive judicial inquiry into all the relevant facts and law points concerning this election dispute is required. Now, एक objection ये भी raise हुआ था कि how were documents considered which were really not part of the original record before the appeal, sir. So this section deals with that. Now on this issue, 11 of the judges were in agreement that they called for the record and examined the document, and on the basis of the examination of those documents came to the conclusion that, as I will explain later, that PTI affiliated candidates participated in the election, they won elections on seats, and they are entitled to reserve seats. But I've read this para, so I move forwards. Para 3. Claims of SIC and PTI not conflicting claims with regards to reserve seats. I will also not read this because I've read this on the last date of hearing. But I move forward, sir. Page 2.
How can you say that their claims are not different?
Sir, मैं अगर फिर पढ़
You are a separate party, that is.
Sir,
हमें उसमें नहीं जाएंगे कि आपका आपस में क्या ताल्लुक है, लेकिन पेपर्स पे you are separate party and PTI is separate party.
sir,
There is no denial of the fact.
no, there's no denial of the fact, but it explained in the.
Your interest may be same.
जी, हमारा इंटरेस्ट सेम था. ये बिल्कुल सही आपने निचोड़ दिया. ठीक है ना? ये है मेरा केस.
Both have different registration, both have different
Yes.
But interest
constitution, bylaws of their parties.
But in this case, as far as reserve seats are concerned, our interests were the same. We were not conflicted in terms of whoever got the seats. ये.
अब कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तो फिर लास्ट में
Yes.
ये पढ़
But of
लेना
course, the minority judge. मैं पढ़ लूँ जी सर? पढ़ लूँ जी.
Para 3 पढ़ दीजिए.
जी sir. It may also be pertinent to mention here that in the course of his argument, the learned counsel for SIC also attempted to explain the above circumstances under which the returned candidates, which according to him were PTI candidates, joined SIC. However, some honorable members of the bench reproved him, questioning how he could make conflicting arguments as he was supposed to plead the case of SIC, not of PTI. With respect, we say that both SIC and PTI took the same stance on the peculiar circumstances that led the returned candidates to join SIC. In no way did they make any conflicting assertions. Both emphasize that it is the right of the people who had voted for the returned candidates that their mandate should be reflected in allocating the disputed reserve seats to SIC
यहाँ पे एक बात है,
or to PTI.
यहाँ पे ये बात की गई है, peculiar circumstances led the returned candidates to join SIC.
जी.
Whether any single candidate came forward or किसी ने बात की कि I was compelled, this was the peculiar circumstances which compelled him or her to join certain parties.
Sir,
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
जी जी, sir, that is something.
कोई आया सामने?
जी, that is something which I have read on the first date of hearing when I dealt with the facts. I had read from part of the order which relied upon the intervener application of PTI. The circumstances are in that. Now, of course, your lordship has, in your lordship's dissenting, has differed with that. So this is one of the disagreements between your lordship and the majority judgment. That is why the breakdown of 39 and 41.
Their applications were turned down on the reasons that they are not proper and necessary party. PTI की application जो intervener की थी,
जी,
उसके तो ये findings हैं.
PTI की turn down नहीं हुई थी, वो one of the female प्रपोज्ड कैंडिडेट्स की टर्न डाउन।
Intervener
जी जी जी, पीटीआई की टर्न डाउन नहीं हुई थी।
पीटीआई तो ज़ाहिर आई नहीं है ना, उसका तो क्लेम ही नहीं है।
उस पे भी मैं आता हूं, उस पे भी ये अलग हेडिंग है, वॉज पीटीआई बिफोर द कोर्ट और नॉट। बट ऑफ कोर्स योर लॉर्डशिप हैज अ व्यू कि भाई इसके कोई इररिफ्यूटेबल फैक्ट्स नहीं है कि उनके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर था। जी, बिल्कुल ये व्यू है, ये
मुझे कंपेल किया, मुझे जबरदस्ती भिजवाया गया, मैं मजबूर हुआ, ये कोई बहाना तो बताता।
ये व्यू है। द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ कोर्स has disagreed with that. If I may read the second paragraph so that I finish it. We do not find any force in the argument that those returned candidates have not appeared before us to rebut the presumption accepted by our learned colleagues, because we find that they are before us speaking through SIC. What SIC says on the fact is the version of those returned candidates. SIC speaks for them before us.
So then we have to go through the petition of the SIC.
Yes.
Whether any fact was mentioned.
There was, as well as in the intervener application. Both SIC and PTI has narrated the same facts and circumstances that led to the mentioning of their status as independent candidates in the nomination papers. Both have claimed that they were also PTI candidates and the electorate voted for them for being PTI candidates. They in their individual capacity did not have such voting support of the electorate. So this is on that. But let me move on to the next point, sir. ये भी मैं sir, I have read through this passage, sir, कि why these two central fundamental rights, this case revolves around these two fundamental rights. So now I move on to the first question which was framed in the majority judgment, sir. Sir, basically for, if I may say, people who are new on the bench, sir, बहुत simple सा issue है, sir. Reserve seats हैं, वो determined होती हैं in terms of how many general seats you win in the election. अब वो reserve seats के हवाले से basically झगड़ा उठा between SIC, क्योंकि PTI presumed that they were not contesting the election, they could not contest the election as a party, they were independents. So ये झगड़ा उठा between SIC and other parties कि ये जो reserve seats हैं, जो ये independents की seat से calculate होती हैं, ये किसको मिलेंगी? Now, when it came before the Supreme Court, the dissenting judgment is absolutely right, sir, that there were two parties before the court. PTI came as an intervener, but the court, in its wisdom and in exercising its powers to do complete justice, said that no, we will consider three parties as to whether it should be given to one of the three parties. So ये in a nutshell जो है dispute है. अब उस पे पहला सवाल जो उठता है, पहला सवाल जो
that's the issue. This was the question, whether they were competent to do so.
Yes.
This is the point.
Yes. लेकिन उससे पहले भी एक सवाल ये उठता है कि did PTI affiliated candidates, if PTI as a party contest the elections or not? ये बुनियादी सवाल और उस पे मैं अब आपकी तवज्जो ले जाता हूं, सर. Para 5, sir. What is the consequence of declaring a political party eligible to obtain an election symbol under Section 215(5) of the Elections Act 2017? Does such a declaration affect the political parties, i.e. PTI's other constitutional and statutory rights? मैंने उसके आगे पैरास दिए हैं ताकि आप completely पढ़ सकें अपनी convenience में. I'll read it, then I'll explain.
Actually, this was not a question before the court.
Yes.
Court ने frame किया, उन्होंने जो किया.
जी, बिल्कुल. Of course, your lordship's view is